Ladies and gentlemen, it's Mike here at Gamefromscratch, and today we have another humble bundle of interest to game developers. And this one is all about the artists. This one comes to us via FlippedNormals. Now, FlippedNormals is one of the preeminent CG marketplaces out there, a place for assets and tutorials and so on. And really, that's where the involvement actually ends here, because FlippedNormals is the provider of the assets we're looking at today, but they're all hosted over on the Humble page. So let's head on over to Humble and check it out. So what we're looking at today is the ultimate 3D sculpting and character mastery bundle. Now, this is organized into tiers, and I got to point out something with Humble. They have made a change in the way things work. Used to be able to give a slider to help support Game from Scratch. Now it's based off of like the average of what you guys have done over time. I love you all. Thank you for supporting me, and if you use my link, it will continue to support me. It's just the slider is gone away. They've changed the actual underlying affiliate program. It's a technical thing. Don't worry. This still helps me out if you choose to do so, and thank you so much if you do. So anyways, this bundle here is organized into tiers. The $1 tier is actually pretty jam-packed with content. You're getting 7 items there. So if you're just kind of curious or you just want to dabble a little bit, a lot of these assets here are all about ZBrush, including an introduction to ZBrush in this $1 tier. So you got some really cool things here for, again, $1 tier. They've probably the most loaded $1 tier I have seen in a very long time. Although I do kind of wonder about this one. Sculpting Thanos. I wonder if you can use the name Thanos in a commercial project. That strikes me as a little bit strange. I get where they're going with that one, but strikes me as I'm not sure they can get away with that. Now, you notice what the software is using by the icon that is here. A lot of these you're going to see are ZBrush, which is the preeminent sculpting tool, so that totally does make sense. But you're going to see some cases there are other tools involved, such as Blender, or in this case, Marvelous Designer. So that is your $1 tier. Your median price tier, you're getting a couple more sculpting courses here, and then we're also starting to get into, again, some Substance Painter stuff in here as well. And then you're going to notice there are some kits. So where did the first kit go? Are all the kits the top tier? All right, maybe they're all in the top tier. So we'll move on to the top tier here, and you will see the kit thing. So here you got like the eye kit, and then there's the face kit over here, creature kit, and so on. Generally, this is composed of mostly like texture maps that you can use for sculpting, those kind of things. So the eye kit, you're getting a ton of eyeballs and so on. I will show you the contents of the, I think it's the skin kit that I grabbed. So this is that guy right there. This is the ultimate bundle here. So again, it's highly focused around sculpting. Now you're wondering, okay, what exactly are you getting here? As I mentioned earlier on, it is FlippedNormal that are providing the assets, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you're getting them on FlippedNormal. Instead, what you do is you get them all on Humble. Now, these things are actually pretty sizable, anywhere from like, you know, a couple hundred megabytes to 15 gigabytes. I think that's the biggest of them all. Yeah, 15 gigabytes is the biggest one here. So the course is basically, it's a bunch of content in that regard. Let's go ahead and take a look at a couple of these. I've got 2 downloaded. As we head over into my downloads folder, you will see here we've got the creature kit, and the the skin kit here, and the creating a full character in ZBrush course. So we'll go with the course first. You open it up, and then what you'll find is there's actually a zip for the course, which is kind of annoying. So you got to unzip it twice, and that second zip doesn't really save them any size. So I don't really know why they've done this. But inside of here, for the first one here, you have all of the tutorials step by step. They are in high resolution. So here you see.
We are slowly approaching the end of. It's the way a hand, the way fingers close, isn't like.
So that is the way the courses are set up. So there's no persistence or tracking of a course or anything. It's literally raw videos of the courses you're going to pick up. The other thing you'll notice is you're also getting the resources here. So you've got a PDF to go along with it, as well as the configuration for ZBrush user configuration, and then the various different files for ZBrush. So if you want to follow along exactly, you do have the project and everything done there. That's actually quite nice with these things. We'll go back and look at the skin kit. So this is how your kits work. So in this particular case, it's got a collection of this one here, as well as the skin maps in EXR format, like so. So if you wanted to use, say, elephant skin, we got this guy right here. Let's just open that guy up in Affinity Photo so you get an idea of what these look like. Now, EXRs are large. So here we are off screen. So that is the kind of stuff you're getting here. So you can use these in your texturing brushes. You can also use them in Blender, by the way. So if you're sculpting in something other than ZBrush, these would still be useful to you. And then here is your skin kit. There is a PDF overview of what the kit is all about. the materials as they are defined for ZBrush usage, and then also their texture maps. Now, your texture maps should be usable in any manner whatsoever. Here they are tileable format. You get them in both TIFF and Photoshop document formats. So let's open up, we'll stick with the rhino skin again. So here's a tileable rhino skin there that you could use for sculpting. We'll use another one here as the skin, like there, like human skin. And then go back over here, same thing, just in Photoshop document format. So if you're doing sculpting, this is a ton of basically sculpting textures you can use as brushes in your own sculpting application. They're literally just images though, so they should work with whatever format you wish. And again, so basically it's a collection, mostly courses here, but we've got about 5 or 6 of those kits. That you could use them in other tools if you wished. Just know pretty much the majority of this setup you're going to see just from the name, the icons shown there, or just the straight out full character in ZBrush. This is a very ZBrush heavy bundle this time. Although you've got some things here like an introduction to anatomy. That's kind of a universal thing. And again, the kits could be used in whichever environment you want. But if you've ever been looking to pick up or learn ZBrush, again, go back to this. This is one of the best $1 tiers I have yet seen in terms of the amount that it's giving you access to. The middle tier almost never ends up making sense from a price perspective once it's actually run for a bit. And then we've got here the full fat kit. So let me know what you think. Let me know what you think, first off, of FlippedNormals in general, of their content. Generally, my experiences has been pretty good on their stuff. I haven't used ZBrush in a very long time, so I don't really have an opinion there. But I'm curious, what do you think of this overall? And I will talk to you all later. Goodbye.